I have a Generac 4000 XL and want to add electric start. Is that practical/possible? Or should I just look to buy a new GN 220 with electric start already, and if so, how hard is it to change out the motors?
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. On most of the Generac engines, unless the engine was originally designed for an electric starter, the block was not drilled and tapped to accept one. Can you please verify if you see mounting holes drilled into the block? The other problem is the flywheel does not have the ring gear usually. Can you please verify if the outer edge of your engine has a geared edge? If the answer to both of these questions is no, then adding an electric start is not possible. If you have the holes ready in the block, but not a geared flywheel, the flywheel could be replaced, but it's a rather pricey upgrade when you combine both components. This is a question that comes up semi-frequently since pulling on the rope gets real old real fast, especially if you are using it for emergency power backup. In most cases it is not cost effective, but if you can please verify those two questions about your specific unit, I can better guide you. Site guidelines require that I post all troubleshooting steps or partial answers as answers, but this may not be the final answer. Additional discussion may be required. So please hold off on rating until we determine the exact problem. If this doesn't solve it, or if you need additional assistance in applying this answer to your specific situation, please use the reply to expert link so we can continue the discussion. Thank you.
Yes, no holes are present, and I doubt I want to replace the flywheel. Can you recommend a good place to get a GN 220 electric start? And is it hard to change out the engine?
Are you looking to replace just the engine, or are you considering purchasing a complete new genset? The reason I ask is that parts for the XL series are starting to become obsolete, so future repairs, if needed, become more challenging as time goes on. It was and still is a great unit, but everything mechanical eventually breaks.
Truthfully, I just need to replace the oil pressure switch and the recoil start assembly. The rope slips now. I was thinking about getting an XG4000, but I would like to at least repair this one to resell, only about 29 hours on it.
The oil pressure switch and recoil would make a lot of sense to replace. The switch is probably a 099236 and the recoil is likely a 095268 ASRV, but on the side of the engine there are some numbers on a tag. If you can tell me what they are, I can verify for you. The XG4000 is the current model and is actually produced by Generac after they decided to get back into the portable business again a few years ago. Well-built equipment and a great company.
Okay, I'll take it from here. Thanks so much, Rick. Take care.
Thank you so very much. Best of success.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.